grind is hype, and we're sure that you feel real good when you're part of a Kid and Play adventure.
I think it's time to make the floor burn. What I'm saying is, it's your turn to do things you've always wanted to. Here's the jam
From Kid and Play to you. Listen up to what I'm saying here, work it out, or you ain't staying here.
Troopers and troopettes should know this. Listen close, don't blow this chance.
To get next to the opposite sex, it means
if you ain't down, use the exit.
Just like Brutus, we always knew this. On the strength, y'all, we can do this my way. This symphony was composed by me. Now your reps in jeopardy. Like the kiss of death to my foes, MCs are falling like dominoes. Oppose me, you must be a little crazy. Gonna unleash the sound and the fury. Hook up the mic real quick. It's a habit I just can't kick. And when I'm through getting loud, the crowd'll be in ecstasy. They'll rush the stage to get next to me. Let me pick the girl that's giving sex to me. It's time to collect my feet. Plays by my side, ripping, running, sticking, gunning. The boy's still stunning. Herb, don't obstruct this. Where's the trumpets? Give me the beat and I'll pump this my way.
Now I'm here to rhyme, it's time to slay. You've heard the kid, now it's time for play. Rockin' the beat that heard programs. It makes no diff cause I'm so damn deaf. And I get this not ever. There's no fuss, it's just me devastating, debating. None of that in my domain. I'm the captain. Think you're hot? Light the match, then pray as the DJ starts scratching. Kid and Play with the rep, notorious. Take a step. Why don't you just get on the floor? The rhyme ambassadors so hype you wanna crash your door in. Cause Play is at it again. Behave. I'm about to begin and do it my way.
It's Kid and Play, devising a scheme. Yo, Herbie, show 'em what we mean. Confused by the words we're saying? We're not serious, we're only Kid and Playing.
Two guys, are we shy?
Bull.
Like the tower, with an eye full.
They said we couldn't rap.
Said we were face men.
How about a taste?
Herb, turn up the bass then.
Play was stamped a long time ago.
I was a tramp before the video. You lose your breath, I'm deaf, and even though you try to fight it, you can't. So here we go.
The kid is set, and I bet we get through this. I look at Play and he'll say,
we can do this, boy.
Clap your hands, this jam is a can't miss. Feel free to just chant this my way.